Ever wonder why some small creators skyrocket to success while others seem to hit a brick wall? It's not just luck or timing, it's strategy. This video will break down key strategies and practical tips that successful creators utilize to propel their social media growth. It begins with understanding the social media landscape. Now, more than ever before, social media platforms offer myriad ways for creators to share their content and connect with audiences. From Instagram Reels to TikTok videos, from Facebook live streams to YouTube vlogs, the possibilities seem endless. But with so many options, it's easy for small creators to feel overwhelmed. So, where does one start? Firstly, focus on the quality of your content. Quality over quantity always wins the race in the long run. It's better to post less frequently with high quality, well-researched, and engaging content than to bombard your followers with daily posts that lack depth or value. Next, consistency is key. Don't just post and ghost. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and keep the conversation going. Consistency also applies to your posting schedule. Whether you post daily, weekly, or monthly, ensure you stick to a schedule that works for you and your audience. Now, onto the importance of authenticity. In the world of social media, authenticity resonates. Be true to who you are and what your brand stands for. People can tell when you're not being genuine, and it can turn them off. Then, there's the art of collaboration. Collaborating with other creators can help you reach a wider audience, gain new followers, and learn from others in your field. It's not just about competition, it's about community. And lastly, don't forget to leverage the power of analytics. Most social media platforms offer some form of analytics. Use these insights to understand what's working, what's not, and how you can improve. In summary, success on social media for small creators isn't elusive. It's about producing high-quality content consistently, being authentic, collaborating with others, and using analytics to guide your strategy. Remember, every successful creator started somewhere. It's not about immediate success, but gradual growth. Keep learning, keep creating, and keep pushing forward. Your social media success story is just around the corner.